Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something special in store for you, a deep dive into the world of numismatics with the 2020 Lincoln Penny. This seemingly everyday coin might surprise you. It's not just about cents, it's about dollars. Join us as we explore its history, unique features, and why it's capturing the attention of collectors and investors everywhere. The 2020 Lincoln Penny's historical significance. To truly appreciate the value of this coin, let's start with some history. The 2020 Lincoln Penny was minted during a pivotal time in the United States, and this context plays a crucial role in its worth. Examining the coin's unique features, now, let's take a closer look at the coin itself. What sets the 2020 Lincoln Penny apart? On the reverse side, you'll find the iconic Lincoln Memorial, but it's on the obverse side where the magic happens. Some of these 2020 pennies have unique errors and variations that make them incredibly valuable. Rarity and collectibility. The key to understanding why this coin is worth big money lies in its rarity. The 2020 Lincoln Penny with specific errors is exceptionally scarce. As collectors know, rarity often translates to value, and that's exactly what makes this coin so appealing to collectors and investors. Current market value. So, just how much is the 2020 Lincoln Penny with these unique errors worth today? Thousands of pounds? Well, the value can vary based on factors like condition and demand, but some have been known to sell for significant amounts, turning a small coin into a valuable investment. Tips for aspiring collectors and investors. For those of you interested in coin collecting or investing, here are a few tips. Always keep an eye out for unique and unusual coins like this one. They might hold hidden value. Research and stay informed about the coin market to make informed decisions. And consider consulting with experts or joining coin collecting communities to enhance your knowledge. The 2020 Lincoln Penny might seem like pocket change, but it's a prime example of how the world of numismatics can hold unexpected treasures. The next time you come across a penny in your pocket change, take a moment to examine it closely. You might be holding on to something worth much more than a cent. Finally, this coin's value in market is thousands of pounds. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more coin-related content, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for joining us on this numismatic adventure, and we'll catch you in the next video.